We're leaving the room, Dexter. Oh, and it's pure blurry. I don't even know what time it is anymore. We are going to Animal Kingdom today. We've got some fast passes starting just after 11 o'clock.
I don't like waiting for buses.
Dexter doesn't like waiting for buses, I know. We're going to go on the safari first, and then we're going to go on Cali River Rapids. Dexter is not, because he doesn't like it, and then we're going to go on Expedition Everest, which Dexter is also not going to go on because he doesn't like it. Animal Kingdom is probably my least favourite park. I don't dislike it. It's just because it's so hot, which is because obviously it's built in a kind of bowl shape, so it traps all the heat in there. So it's always really, really hot when we go, and I just don't enjoy it as much as I enjoy the other parks. But we're going to enjoy it today. We're feeling Disney-ish. I have to get a hat because my head's burning. I don't want to get a cap. Let's see, what should I get, Dexter? Nope. No, this is not a good look for me either. I don't see any that suit me, so I'm just going to have a burning head. I was showing you the Avatar land that's been built, but then I realised this wasn't recording. I'd probably run out of room in the memory card. But anyway, I've deleted all yesterday's stuff off, so we're all good now. Yes, they're building Avatar land. You can see the floating islands that they're building. I'll try and show you later on, but it looks like it's going to be absolutely huge. I head up to the safari now, and also find something for breakfast as well, because we haven't eaten anything yet. Dexter's going to be a wilderness explorer. Let's go and get...
What
are these? Are you doing it, Dean?
Yeah.
Dean's going to do it.
Hi friends! Would you guys like to be explorers today? Yeah? Come on over. Do you want to be an explorer too, dear? Come on over this way. So everyone put your fingers in the W. We're going to learn our explorer call. Repeat after me. The wilderness must be explored.
Must be explored.
Perfect. Now take your hands and turn them around so I can see your fingernails. Perfect. Cross them over like this. Hook your thumbs together and make a bird. Wait till all our friends got that. Awesome. Now give me your best caw. Put your paws up. Awesome.
Okay, Mikey had ice cream for breakfast, and it maybe wasn't the best idea in the world. Have you seen yourself, Mikey?
Look at his t-shirt.
Oh no. Oh no. That's where they're building Pandora over there. Can't really see much of it. Yeah, Avatar land, it's called Pandora. Gonna be cool. Dexter is a wilderness explorer.
And
So is Jean. And who are we waiting in line to meet now?
Tarzan.
Tarzan. He wants to take a selfie? Mm-hmm.
What is that?
That's so cool. So we just went to go on the safari and realised that we were over an hour early for our fast passes. Ah well, so we're going to go to Rafiki's Planet Watch and head up and pet all the goats and brush them and stuff. Mikey likes doing that. And then go back to safari, and I still haven't had any breakfast yet because they were all out of pretzels.
Hello, how are you guys doing?
You can touch it, it's very nice, look.
Have you ever touched a snake before?
No.
Never?
No, I used to have pet snakes before he was born, but
did?
he's never...
And hopefully this will get bit of my tail snakes.
Oh, they're not scary.
You have a little fear. That's okay, a lot of people do. Now, I can tell you she's very smooth, she's very gentle, she's not slimy, she's not going to hurt your hand or anything. Not so bad, huh?
What kind of snake is she?
She's an Argentine boa, and her
Wow.
name is Midnight. She's from
Isn't
South
that-
America. Not so bad, huh?
She's nice. Do you see their eyes? See the shape of the pupil in their eyes? Yeah, he's probably had a tag on it at some point and it's been ripped out. If you see one's eyes, you look at the shape of the pupil. What shape are the pupils in our eyes? Yep. So you look at a goat's eyes and see what shape it is and let me know, right?
A square?
It's a rectangle.
A rectangle?
We're back in Harambe, Africa. We just got off the train and we're...
My book.
Oh, your book, sorry.
My book is my pen.
Yep, it's cool.
Do you not want to?
Okay. And we're going to go on safari now. You ready?
Yeah, I'm going to get tons of animals in my book.
You're going to see tons of animals for your book. So Dexter, what did you think of the safari?
Amazing. Fluffy.
Frozen Coke. Did you like it?
Yeah, I just get a tiny bit.
Yeah, it doesn't really come through the straw yet.
I just lick it and then just put it at the top of my mouth so I get a nice drink.
Yeah, just let it melt and it melts to Coke. Dean and I just went on Primeval World. I don't think think I've been on it before. I have vague memories of it, but I'm not sure whether it's just been watching it or going on it. I don't know, I can't remember being on it. But it's very short. It was alright. It's okay, Dean liked it. So we're walking through Dino Land. It's feeling very humid and like it's going to thunder soon. I had a look at the forecast and it said thunderstorms between 4 and 5. It is now about 2:45. Oh no, he's found more Stitch. So we've got fast passes for Expedition Everest at 2:55. So Dean and I are going to go on that, and then we're just going to come back down this way. Dexter wants to go on this Triceratops spin. And then we're just going to head out before it starts raining basically, and then maybe we'll do something else later on in the evening, but we need to get in for the thunderstorm. Yeah, thunderstorm. And we can watch it from our hotel room. It'll be lovely.
Hello.
Hello. Almost sweaty, it's really hot. That butterfly keeps coming right over close.
That's my brother.
Oh, my battery's dying as well. Ah!
No.
This might be the last vlog in Animal Kingdom. We just came off Expedition. We just came off Expedition Everest. What did you think?
I love it.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I'm losing my voice. I was actually doing a challenge act bored and not screaming. I was like, yeah, so fun. And then I was like, ah!
That was my ear, thanks.
Oh,
Yeah, that was good.
I-P-E-R.
So we're waiting on Mum and Dexter and Mikey coming out of the Nemo ride, and then we're just going to head back before the thunderstorms.
Well, Nemo the musical.
Oh, the Nemo the musical, yeah, not the Nemo ride. This here, this is where we are. My battery's about, oh, I fell over. My battery is about to die. So I'm going to go and put a fresh one in once we get back at the hotel. But
Bye.
yeah. Bye. Bye.